So here you can see that I have a bunch of layers right here. So if I were to go around over here onto this particular layer, then you can see that I can go around and move this. And similarly, I can move around each and every layer. But let's say I want to go around and hide a particular layer. In that case, you can go around onto a particular layer right here. And besides that, you can see that there's an eye icon right here. If I were to go around and click, then the layer is hidden. It's not deleted, it's just hidden. That means right now I got access to these two layers right here, but if I were to click on the eye icon again, then I can view that layer again right there. But let's say I want to permanently delete out a layer. In that case, you can go around onto a particular layer right here, and then you can click on the delete button right here, and the layer is not there anymore, so it is permanently deleted. You can also go around and right click right here and click on the delete key right here to delete out the layer as well. And another way to delete out the layer is by pressing the delete key. But it says the project should have one layer. So let's just go around, duplicate out one layer right here and select out the layer that I want to delete and then hit the delete button. Once I do that, the selected layer is deleted. And that is how you can go around and delete out layers inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.